According to the latest report on the World Economic Forum from 2024 on global risks, 5 out of the 10 top risks facing corporations are environmental in the next 10 years. So these are coming from pollution, from biodiversity collapse, from things like extreme weather events, resource shortages. It makes a lot of sense to go into sustainability. Why? Because it's the biggest job creator. It is mandatory for us to now not only do what is good by the planet, but also be in line with the future jobs that are going to be created for our business graduates. So at SP Jain, sustainability is being implemented at the level of the curriculum. So this has been done this year and it's still going on. It's also been done in our operations. And we are moving first to decarbonizing our Dubai campus, but also installing solar panels in our Singapore campus and getting into that progress for all our campuses. As a responsible academic actor, we believe that we should also impact our external communities, business communities, other communities surrounding the campuses where we operate.